Today, I'll show you exactly how to disconnect Google Drive from OneDrive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to stop the automatic import of files from your Google Drive into OneDrive, and you'll understand what happens to any files that have already synced. Whether you're decluttering your cloud connections, managing privacy, or just don't need files synced between these services anymore, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Alright, let's dive in together. To start, open up your web browser and head over to OneDrive.com. Sign in using your Microsoft account, the same one you use for OneDrive. This part might sound simple, but make sure you're entering the correct credentials, especially if you manage multiple accounts, so you're controlling the right OneDrive. Think of this as walking through the front door of your cloud house. You want to be sure you're in the right home. Once you're in OneDrive, look up at the top right corner of your screen for the familiar gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on this icon and let yourself pause for a moment as the options appear. The interface sometimes updates, so if you see slightly different wording, just look for settings or anything that mentions managing your account. From the drop-down, select Import Cloud Photos and Files. This is where Microsoft lets you connect or disconnect other cloud services, like Google Drive, to your OneDrive for automatic importing. Choosing this menu is a bit like going backstage to see which services have a key to your digital closet. Here, you'll see a section called Import History, where your previously connected services are listed. Find Google Drive. If you've connected it before, it'll be right there. Next to Google Drive, spot the three dots. Click those and then select Disconnect from Google Drive. This action is important. It's telling OneDrive to stop syncing new files from your Google Drive. Don't worry if you're double-checking. It's completely normal to pause and ensure you're disconnecting the right service, especially if you use several cloud platforms. After you click Disconnect, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Read over the prompt so you know exactly what will happen. When you confirm, OneDrive will immediately stop any new imports from Google Drive, but all files that have already made their way into OneDrive will remain right where they are, safe and sound. So you're not deleting anything from your OneDrive, just closing the connection to Google Drive. Now, for complete control, let's also check OneDrive's PC connection. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon in your taskbar at the bottom right of your Windows screen, then hit the gear again and select Settings. In the window that appears, navigate to the Account tab. Here you'll see an option labeled Unlink this PC. Click that, then choose Unlink Account on the next screen. This will disconnect your Microsoft account from that computer's OneDrive, which is handy if you want to pause or stop OneDrive syncing on a particular computer, maybe when upgrading a device or handing it off to someone else. Before we wrap up, an important detail. Disconnecting stops future imports, but doesn't delete any of the files that have already synced from Google Drive into OneDrive. If you want to remove those files from your computer, you'll need to go into File Explorer, find the relevant OneDrive folder, and manually delete those files. Think of it like cleaning out a drawer after you stop bringing in new mail. The old mail doesn't vanish, so a little manual tidying is needed. And if you have the Google Drive desktop app installed, you might want to uninstall that as well for complete separation. And there you have it, your Google Drive will no longer be connected to OneDrive, and your synced files are staying safe unless you choose to delete them. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.